important events of Aryan times impacting the Peninsular Plateau. Impacting the Peninsular Plateau. So number one was Western Ghats Formation. Western Ghats Formation. The southern plateau of India was much larger. The western part cracked and slipped underwater. The eastern part slightly rotated eastwards, leaving the western edge as a mountain. Okay, the Western Ghats Formation कैसे हुआ? Okay, the southern part of India was much larger. It was, this was a very large plateau like this. What happened was, the western part cracked. The western part develops a crack. It was a crack. And it slipped. This part slipped underwater. So this was the Arabian Sea. This has gone underwater. And this remaining part is above the land. This part has gone down. Okay. Then what happened? This part, it kind of rotated like this. When it rotates, it has now become this. Water, say under the water like this, and this has rotated like this. Can you all imagine this? ऐसे घूम गया. So this part now looks like a mountain. It's the edge of the plateau. Okay, and rivers are moving like this. The rivers move like this. The rivers are flowing toward the east, and you've got small, fast rivers flowing here. So ये जो घाट बना है, this घाट is actually the edge of the plateau. If they say this is A, this is B, this is C. Now A is here, B is here, C is here. This is the B edge, this is the C. The southern part of India was much larger. The plateau was much larger. The western part developed a crack and slipped underwater. The eastern part, it rotated slightly, leaving the edge as the Western Ghats, as a mountain. So Western Ghats are not fold mountains. What are they? They are fold mountains. What are they? Western Ghats are, they're what? They are blocked mountains. Don't say cracked mountains. Okay. Had you been near me, I would have cracked your head also. Cracked mountains. They are block mountains. So I'm writing blocked. They are block mountains. They are horst. They are horst. They are escarpments. These are escarpments. So Western Ghats are not fold mountains. They are not fold mountains.